And it's time for another Gundam. Today we have the M1 Astray. Yeah, this is absolutely awesome because it's based on probably my favourite character, maybe second favourite character from the Gundam TV series, Gundam Seed. And I just think this one is absolutely awesome. Afanzala, I think his name is. It's been many, many years since I watched it, but hey, you're here to look at the Gundam kit, so let's have a ganders. Alright. HG R16 HG 144 M1 Astray. No, you cannot put cigarettes in him. Awesome. And Gundam Seed 0175700 Bandai, and illustrated by Marish. Yeah, I can't pronounce that. I'm rubbish at pronouncing things. Right, so the side, the other side, the other side, and this side we have those cool alternate weapons and opposite alternate stickers and so forth. Yeah. Go, go, Power Rangers! Yes, not quite Power Rangers. And the back for the people that like to see, but there's nothing on the back. Right, so let's have a look-ski. So we pop that around, and we go through the whole thing like we normally do. We have a few bits of broken sprue stuff, one of the plastic cases, the grey sprue, the black sprue, one of the red sprues, another one of the red sprues, the grey sprue, with of course the extra parts, which for some reason they didn't seem to give you later on, which kind of sucks because those parts are easily lost. And then white and white sprue, one other white sprue, the transfers, which of course you can pick different versions of him, so I picked the one I like, one plastic case, the orange sprue for his mini lightsabers, the stickers, which were extremely easy, apart from that dotty one there, that dotty one, I'm watching you, and the rest of the plastic cases that the sprues come in. So let's have a look-ski at the instructions. So for more info, go there, and let's open her up. Alright, so have that page. Ta-da! We then have this page for instructions. Remember this one being quite an easy build, and we all love easy builds, well I especially do, especially if they don't involve paint, because I am rubbish at painting things. Let's go out a bit further. There we go. I mean, it does help you guys out in case for some reason you don't have the instructions. You bought one, and it's the one in the factory that didn't have instructions. And the other side, basically his colours, where to put the stickers, the front one, and that part, and that part. Just extremely, extremely awesome artwork. We pop that over here, but I don't know what you guys want to see. You want to see the actual Gundam. Ta-da! There he is. So yes, this is extremely cool. I did have his lightsabers in his hand a second ago, but I've taken them out just for now so we can have a closer look-ski. Here's his face with one of the annoying stickers. That bloody thing there. Urgh. And there. And these are pretty cool. Basically the swords pop in and out. I don't want them to pop off at the moment. Should we just take one out, shall we? Let's watch the whole thing come off now. I've said they just pop in and out. There we go. That's one of his swords. You can see the holster. I think, yeah, you just pull them up. And the other holster. And then got a shield which you can say pop round his back, but of course you can put that clip around the arm up there. So let's pop that off, and then yeah, there's a part in the box which I showed you, the little black part, which is the circle bit that goes over here, and it leaves a little bit sticking out there, so you can pop that on there. And that shield itself, with the one sticker in the middle, is Really, really awesome. And you can see it goes on to the back there, which is where the jetpack is. Now look, we can see one of the stickers has come off. Shall we see if we can fix it with the sword? And then maybe a bit more pressure. So, yes, that'll do. I'll probably fall off a bit later. But yeah, so the shield pops onto that. And that's one of the stickers I chose. Yeah, really easy build. So a lot of these always move, like obviously for different, like, oh, my hand's in the way. Cliff, you're being rubbish. So these always move for obviously like different angles of the jetpack and so forth. And those ones don't. I thought they did, but they don't. And here's a closer look at the jetpack and the back of the head. And what I love about him is he comes with, if I can pop him down there, will he stand up? He will. And we'll bring the camera down to so forth. And then we've got his swords, we've got his shield, and there is a gun also, which I haven't taken out. It's in there, in the actual box, I'm pretty sure of it. But it comes with these. I call them lightsabers, sabers, light swords, I can't remember. Tony, pop it in the comments for me if you're watching. They fit perfectly in his hands, and he actually looked like a complete badass. So let's pop them in his hands. So there's one. And then the other one. And then just look at that. Look at that. How awesome. Just amazing does he look. Let's bring the camera down a little bit. And we're going for that view. Yeah, simply stunning. So there we go. There's another Gundam figure, guys. That is the Gundam Seed M1 Astray. What's that?